All right, we are going to practice right now. So get a paper, get a pencil, and let's get started. All right, let's do our multiplication by 3 right now and practice with that. So let's try a 3 times 8. Remember, we're trying to work on one strategy, not 100 different strategies. So how are we going to do this one? Instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's going to take forever. So we split it into our two multiplication problems by 8, and instead of doing 3 times 8, oh man, what are you supposed to say to Miss Eberly? Oh, I wish that was a 2. Okay, make it a 2. But then it's supposed to be a 3. Okay, then get back to a 3 by making that a 1. So I have a 2 and a 1 that together make 3 of those 8s. So now I have my 2 multiplication problems that I add together to get my product of 3 times 8. And you know 8 times 2 because you've been practicing those hopefully every day and you have them up all over your house. So 8 times 2 is 16 plus that 8. So 16 plus 8 more is, don't just wait for me to say it, try it, 24. Okay, let's do another. How about 3 times 6? Okay, our one strategy we're working on. Instead of counting up by 6 3 times, let's just split it into 2 multiplication problems that we know quicker than just 3 times 8, 3 times 6, because we don't know it off the top of our head. So instead of 3 times 6, we're going to do, guess what? 2, your favorite doubles. But we need 3. So how many more 6s do I need? I need 1 more of those 6s. So my 2 multiplication problems, I'm going to add those products together to get my final product of 3 times 6. So 2 times 6 and 1 times 6. And then I add those together and you are at 18 for our product. Okay, let's try to step it up to multiplication facts by 4. So let's try this one. Do you know 4 times 4 off the top of your head? No? Okay, so let's do 2 times 4 instead. But we need 4 of those 4s. We only have 2, so we need 2 more of those 4s. So look at that, the same multiplication problem that we add together. That's nice, because 2 times 4, you know that one. Quickly. And 2 times 4 again. So we have another double of 8 and 8. The double. And we are at 16 for our product of 4 times 4. Let's try another. How about 9 times 4? 9 times 4. Well, if I see a 4, I know I can do the double. So I'm going to do 2 of those 9s. But we need 4 of the 9s. So we need another 2 of them to get our total. So now I have 2 times 9 and 2 times 9. So I have an 18 and an 18. And if I add those together, I will be at my total, at my product of 9 times 4, which is, pause the video if you need more time, 36. All right, let's do one more. 4 times 7. Oh, I see a 4, so I know I can do the double. I'm going to have 2 of those 7s, but I need 4 of them, so I need 2 more of them. And I add those together. So 2 times 7 and 2 times 7. So if I add my 2 products together, I'm going to get the product of 4 times 7 because it's a double. And I'm at 28. Cha-ching. Yes. All right, you got this. You can do it. Keep practicing.